change your mind if you're gonna let go. No matter how you feel.